record distance in the name of Mohammad Anas. And the timing that he took in 2019 was of 45 seconds and 21 microseconds. 45.21 is the national record. Installed by all the athletes. Jashan Jyot is setting into early pace from the outside. You can see from the middle that Rashid is also doing very well. And also Alex A of Kerala from lane number 3. And you can see that now pushing ahead himself is Ayush Dawaz of Haryana. Looking quite promising. Ayush Dawaz of Haryana is pulling himself ahead. All the other athletes are also doing very well from the outside. You can see that Rashid now has increased his pace from lane number 2. Rashid is also doing very good there. But Jashan Jyot is maybe maintaining at the edge as we are reaching towards the final band. And from here on, we are going to see the clear picture of this contest. And here you can see that most of the athletes are running at a very equal distance, and there's little to say that who is going to win that contest. Rashid is now, and you can see that 4 athletes are approaching towards the finishing line. In fact, 5 at a close distance. There's little to say about that. And from the middle, you can see that Alex A of Kerala is using all his experience, and from the outside, Jashan Jyot is also doing very well. And maybe at the first 2 positions, we are going to see the name of Alex A and Jashan Jyot Singh. Alex A of Kerala. He waited in the wings, and finally in the last 50 meters he pushed himself ahead and used all his experience that he has. And you can see they all go for the fiery start. And from the middle you can see that Rashid is also doing very well, and also Alex A. But Jashan Jyot is looking like an early lead, and he was using his tall frame as well for the edge over the rest of the field. Ayush Dawaz looking to challenge him, and from here on you can see that Rashid from lane number 3 is getting the speed and putting a lot of pressure on the leaders. Next to him was Ayush Dawaz of Haryana, who is also looking in rich touch. And here you can see that at least 5 athletes are running so close to each other. From the middle you can see that Ayush Dawaz of Haryana is looking like in lead, but Jashan Jyot has some other ideas and he is coming ahead. And from the middle you can see that Alex A of Kerala is stretching his limits, and he went on to finish the race at the first position. Tight contest went between all the athletes. All the athletes finished the race inside 3 seconds. That's a healthy sign. And you can see that Alex A of Kerala just pipped Jashan Jyot of Punjab by 0.0.